Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have here? I have the Potomac beads treasure box for February of 2024. I always love getting their bead boxes. They're so much fun to work with and to unbox. This is the treasure subscription, formerly the regular box. And it is always packed with so many goodies. Let's see. Everlasting Embrace Treasure Box. Oh, I can see the colors already. A captivating and versatile collection that harmoniously blends the enchanting colors of love, adoration, and tenderness. This bundle embodies the spirit of blossoming romance with Czech glass in tulips, hearts, and the delicate contour of storm duos. Ooh, the palette includes elements of passion red to delicate pink, dreamy violet, and regal purple. Okay. Sold me. So, oh, look at these colors. Oh, I love me a good Miyagi. Oh, look at these. How pretty. Oh my, look at these fire polish beads here. Oh, this is a beautiful box. Oh, and they gave us some beautiful silver bales. 99%, 9 millimeter premium, 99% pure silk, silver plating silk. I've been doing some videos today. Oh, look at these Czech glass boho flower beads. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, and the stars. Oh, okay, let me get everything set up and I will do an official unboxing. Be right back. Okay, so we're going to start with these. These are the Czech faceted rounds, 10 millimeter. Gorgeous as always. Look at the pretty there. Oh, just look at the sparkle in these when you look at them up close. Pretty they look. So you get a nice long strand of these. Next, these are the Czech rounds, 6 millimeter. Kind of a light, pale, kind of purple lavender kind of color. Very pretty. And then there's fire polish beads to match. So I think these are 2 millimeter. Look at both of these together. So you have two totally different sizes for something. And look at these. These are gorgeous. These are 2 millimeter too. And they have like an AB finish. They have like a pink. They almost have like a red on them. It's a really unique color. They have like little hints, flickers of red and pink and white. Looks like it's over a black bead almost. You see when I'm turning that? You can see how pretty those are. Oh, gorgeous. And then they sent us a pen, Potomac Beads pen. So that's really nice. We can never have too many pens. Now we're here, we have, I'm gonna put these in here. We have the Czech glass heart beads. Where's I have an eye pen here because I like to put a few on my eye pen just so you can see. So here's, they go up and down like that. And they have a really pretty pink color to them. Very pretty here. And next, these are so much fun. Where'd they go? Czech flower design ovals, 20 by 16 millimeter. Look how pretty these are. And this is how they go. I love the wash on these, the silver with the dusty pink underneath. I love the pink that they used in this month's box. It's not that obnoxious bright pink. It's like a really pretty pink. These are quad bow beads, white lila luster, 6 by 15 millimeter. And these have 4 holes. So you can use these for I mean, you could make these, you could do something like bring them together like this and put like maybe a tiny seed bead between each one there and make like a really cool focal for like a lariat necklace or just there's so much stuff you can do. You can see there's the 4 holes there. Or you can use them for bead weaving. That's what's fun is you don't have to do bead weaving, or you can. It just, you know, whatever you want to do with these. And next is the Potomac Beads Bale 9mm Premium 99.9% Pure Silver Plating. There's a pack of 5. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, they're so nice and shiny. Yeah, these are pretty. Love a good bale. Can never have too many of these. And next are the Czech round beads Ruby 8mm pack. These are really pretty. Let me put a few on a eye pin. 1. These are like, these almost look good enough to eat. Look at them. Look how pretty those are. I gotta admit, these are like, this is like cherry candy. I have to tell myself, no, it's not candy, Kelly. And you will bust your teeth if you're trying to eat the beads. These are really pretty. Ooh, and next, love a good Potomac pearl. Potomac pearls and lavender, 16-inch strand of 6mm. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh. Look at these. Wow. Look at the shine on these. Oh my gosh. Look at what a beautiful bracelet that would make. These are gorgeous. I love their Potomac pearls. Absolutely beautiful. And next is just some wire guards, premium 99% silver, pack of 50. So just the usual wire guards, but can never have too many of those either. And then these are ear wires, simple ball, 20 by 10.5mm. So you get 4 of these for a couple pairs of earrings. And then these are, oh, these are pretty. Czech star beads in fuchsia, 8mm. Oh. So let's get these on an ear wire. Not an ear wire, I'm sorry. An eye pen. So get like 3 of them on there. You can see that's how they go. They're really pretty. Have like a little AB coating on them. Sparkly. Oh no, where did they go? Okay, I'll find that after the video. Do not want to lose any of these. These are too pretty. To make a note of that. Look for bead underneath the crazy desk. And next are the Potomac Crystal Bicones Amethyst 2mm. Let me see here. Oh, these are pretty. There's still a couple in there. You can see the color. Really pretty. This is more of a muted color, but it still has that. You can still see that little sparkle in there. There's so many different variations of sparkle and color in this box, even though it's pretty much the same flow. I love that. These are gorgeous. Czech tulip beads, 11mm. These are gorgeous. Just in time for spring. That's how they go. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, and they're the same on both sides. I love using these too. Like if I make like a memory wire bracelet or something, I will put these on a head pin and put like a few green like seed beads down there and make it look like a little the stem, and make little little flower charms. And they look so pretty. So gorgeous. And next, these are gorgeous. Czech glass boho flower beads, 14mm. These are so pretty. There's 6 of them. These are so pretty. Where is, let me find the hole now because it's such a dark color. I think I found the hole. Yes, I did. Let me see here. Okay, here's the other one. And look at how pretty those are. Oh, gosh. Just gonna have so much fun with this box. I haven't been doing as many videos as I like, because my dad, he's had 2 surgeries. He's doing great. He's 89, but he's, you know, he had a pacemaker put in. Now we're going to have a bladder surgery, and it's just been a lot. So I like to just come in here and get lost in these bead boxes, and I haven't been able to yet. So look how pretty those are. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to work with. Okay, and we're still going. There's still so much yet. Okay, these purple craze lace round beads. I'm trying to look for them on here. These, I think these are agate. Crazy lace agate, if I'm not mistaken. Look how pretty these are. The different colors of purple, like a mauve. Kind of like a pink even in some of these. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and now, okay, I'm not gonna take these out, but just look at these Miyuki seed beads. And these are, I think these are 8/0s, yeah. Fire lined, silver lined flame red. AB. Look at those. These scream Valentine's Day. So pretty. And next, Storm Duo beads, white Lila Vega Luster. I can't talk today, blah, blah. And I've had 3 cups of coffee, so you'd think that I could really talk. So here's these. Oh, look at these. Look how pretty these are. And these I go like, there's 2 holes. So that's how, so there's one more below that. I make lots of pretty earrings with these. I don't have any right in front of me right now, but these, I love making dangle earrings with these. So we have those. We've got 2 more. These are Czech glass 2-hole tile beads in violet 6mm. Oh, okay, I'm breaking the back. These are pretty. Let me see here. 1 and 2. Okay. So here's how they go. And then there's another hole the other side. These are really pretty. I love using these for earrings as well. Hopefully I'll get some playtime with these, and not just my tutorial, but some actual playtime too. And these are Potomac crystal navettes, 7x15mm. These are pretty. Look at those. I think these are opal. White opal, yes. How pretty those are. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. See, there's holes back there. You could do a lot with these. There's 1, 2, yeah. There's 2 different holes. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing for Everlasting Embrace. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to start working with these. And I would tell you what my favorite bead is in here, but I really, I don't know, oh my gosh, this is really hard. I'm loving the Czech flower and these flowers. I don't know, and the Potomac pearls are always a goodie. And these are out of this world. Oh, and these. These are a shut the front door. Loving these flower beads. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I will leave a link below to Potomac beads. And their price monthly for this box is $39.99. The price quarterly is $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And the price annually, it's the best deal, is $29.99. You save $120 a year. So if you're serious about beading, I definitely suggest you do this and do the annual one. Because for $29, you get so much. So, yes, consider subscribing to my channel. I will leave the link below, and I will leave links to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook as well. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did for Everlasting Embrace. And I will see you for this tutorial coming very soon. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.